Okay, this is our 4-foot table. It's 24 inches wide, which means it's 6 inches narrower than our 6 and 8-foot table. So we need to be very conscious of that when customers are renting. The 4-foot is 24 inches, so it's 2 feet wide, not 2.5. If customers are renting 6 and 8 foots and adding a 4, ask if they're planning to put them end to end, because that does not work. We need to make sure that they understand that, because they do not read the measurements. So there is no exact linen for a 4-foot table. This on here right now is a 90-inch round. As you can see, if it's going up against a wall, we can pull it back a little bit to have a slight scallop look. We can have it centered like that, and we could just have the linen be under the table a little bit like that. Now, that's one option. Another option is, if it's going to be just a buffet type table, they can dress it up a little bit as well with an overlay. This is a 54 by 54. It can be used that way. If they're doing them end to end, making a long line of them, they could also rent a 54 by 54, which covers just the top and hangs down about halfway. So that's another option. The runners as well, they do fit just on the 4-foot table. So you can see here, goes right to the floor on this side. And on this side just the same. It's basically floor to floor for a runner. Now, if they want to go just as simple as possible, we do have the 72 by 72 or 70 by 70 table covers. This is an overlay, but it's the same size. So just for demonstration, I'll use the taffeta crinkle. But they come in white, black, and ivory. So a square linen of 70 by 70 in white, black, or ivory can also work on here. You see it hangs down about halfway on the ends, almost down to the floor on the both sides. So it's not a bad fit. It's not a perfect fit, but it's not a bad fit. So it is a more popular choice to go with this in the white or the black or the ivory. And that's it for the 4-foot tables.